Transform your Webflow site with engaging pop-ups that capture attention and drive action. First, let's navigate to your Webflow designer and open the project you want to add a pop-up to. From the Add Elements panel, we'll drag a div block onto our canvas. This will be the container for our entire pop-up. We need to set its position to fixed, so it stays in place as the user scrolls then. Center it both horizontally and vertically crucially. Give it a high Zindex value to ensure it appears above all other content. Now, let's style this container. We'll add a background color, perhaps with some transparency. And round the corners for a softer look, adjust the width and height to your desired pop-up dimensions. Inside this main container, drag another div block. This will hold all your pop-up content like titles, text, and buttons. Let's call it Modal content for clarity. Apply some padding to this inner div so your content isn't flush against the edges. We can also adjust its layout, perhaps using Flexbox for easy alignment of the elements within. Now, add your heading and descriptive text. These should clearly communicate the purpose of your pop-up, whether it's a special offer or important information. Below that, add a button element. This is your call to action. Style it to match your site's branding. Here's the trick to making it a pop-up in the Style panel for your main pop-up container. Change its display setting to None. This hides it until we trigger it. Now, let's make it appear. Go to the Interactions panel and create a page load trigger. Select Element Trigger and choose your main pop-up div block. We'll set it to Show the element. You can even add a small delay before it appears and choose a smooth appearing animation like a fading. Don't forget a way to close it. Add a close icon, often an X, and style it so it's easily visible. Select this close icon, and in the Interactions panel, create another element trigger this time. Link it to the Hide action for your main pop-up div block. You can also add a fade-out animation here. And there you have it. A perfectly designed, interactive pop-up for your Webflow site. Test it out by hitting the preview button and watch your engagement soar.